Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Akil, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Monday, December 11th, 2017. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 27 degrees. Later today, we're expecting a high of 39 and a low of 15, with clouds. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Evan, Charlie, Gavin, Artie.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America
and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God,
indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, yesterday the Bears won against the Cincinnati Bengals with a score of 33-7. The Blackhawks won against the Arizona Coyotes with a score of 3-1, and the Bulls will play the Boston Celtics tonight at 7. Clubs meeting today are Hoover Harmonics in the music room at 3 o'clock, and tomorrow morning at 7:45, first and second grade battles of books in room 208. And at 8 o'clock, kindergarten puzzle club in room 101. Now a message from Mr. Smelser.
Thank you, Akil. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Happy Monday. It is International Mountain Day. Did you guys know that? No?
No.
No? Mountains cover 22% of the earth, and almost 1 billion people live in mountainous areas, so they play an important part in our world. So pretty cool, huh? We've got 2 special guests here. Actually, I've got a number of special guests that are going to be coming on. Today and tomorrow, we're going to be highlighting the PTA Reflections program. We had 18 students participate this year. And before I go any further, we're going to watch a short video on their projects. So, as you can see, that's one of the projects. They can do videos, they can do dances, they can do artwork, all kinds of things, and that was an example. So I have 2 of our participants. Guys, you want to introduce yourselves, your grade, and maybe what your project was?
My project was a 3D skateboard.
A 3D skateboard, and you're Charlie, right?
Yeah.
In kindergarten? All right. And Evan, what did you do?
I did a drawing of flag football, drawing, reading, and writing.
Drawing, reading, writing. Okay, cool. All right, guys, I'm going to have you step off, and we'll just have a couple more come on at a time. If you want to say your name and what your project was. Go ahead.
My name is Caitlin. I did a drawing project and it was about setting goals.
All right, Caitlin did a drawing project on setting goals.
And
You can
Veronica.
just step right behind me then. No, you're fine, Veronica.
I'm Veronica and I did a painting of
kids, trying to make the environment better because that's cool. And yeah.
Cool. So painting on kids trying to do the environment, make the environment better?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I'm Ayan and I made 2 art projects. My theme of the projects were within reach, and some stuff which is within reach are kindness, being positive, and being happy.
Okay. Did you do like paintings or drawings, or what kind of artwork was
I
it?
did a drawing.
A drawing? Okay, very cool.
My name's Anam, and I did a drawing, art project which had all my goals.
Okay, so you did a drawing? Very cool. So we've already had a variety of projects. So I'll have the 4 of you step off, and we'll have 4 more. Come on. Or 5, 3. Come on over. 4. Do a little tap dance while we're waiting. Alexander, how are you?
Good.
What was your project?
I did 2. I did a photography and a video.
Did we see your video?
Yes.
All right, I thought that was yours. All right, keep scooting over. We want to get everyone on. There we go. All right, so you did a video. What was your other one?
A photography.
Photography.
My dog holding a football.
Okay, very cool. Sean, how are you?
Good.
And what was your project?
I did drawing about sports.
Drawing about sports. Okay, very cool. You want to look right at the camera and tell them what you did.
I did a drawing on a sloth trying to climb a tree to reach his goal.
Okay, because
Climbing a tree.
what was the overall theme of the reflections?
Oh,
What,
within reach.
within reach, so that the sloth reaching for the goal. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's clever. Arti?
I did a picture on a panda with the bamboo on the background.
Okay, very cool. Did you like doing the projects?
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, was it fun? I think one of the things that I want to do next year is encourage more people to participate in the PTA Reflections contest. Because what's really kind of cool now is your work gets judged at a local level, and then it will go on to like a regional and state competition, and there are prizes. So it's very cool. And again, all of you that were on this morning, great way to represent Hoover School. So thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Good job.
Thank you.
All right, one more quick announcement I have from PTA. The holiday shop is coming to Hoover. You can shop for Christmas, Hanukkah, or upcoming celebrations like birthdays. And that is coming on the 13th and or the 15th, depending on which classroom you're in. So don't forget that. You all should have gotten information on that from the PTA. Have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smelcher.
You're welcome, Akil.
Monday's motivation is, it's a new week. Bring it on. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-ups are brought to you by the 4th graders in room 203. Have a Merry Monday.